what I'm gonna share with you, you will never think that was the reason you only get 200 views every single day on your video. I was like you. I have this channel for over 7 years till now. For the first 5 years, I never get over 1,000 views on a video. After discovering this, what I'm about to share with you, I was mind-blowing. And I was thinking, why no one talk about this in the internet? This is not a clickbait video. This is real fact, guys. I used to get 50 up to 100 views per day. After I just apply this strategy, I get over 1 million views per day. And in a very short amount of time, I got over 15,000 subscribers to this channel who used to be only 5,000 subscribers. But what was the reason? It was my fault or not? No, it was not my fault. It was what I've been told to do. A lot of gurus over the internet, they say produce good content, create video with good quality, like a lot of effect on your video to keep people for retention. None of these worked for me until I discovered what I'm about to show you in this video. If you, for the first time, you see this video, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, Mr. Vanel, I don't see your video get a lot of views while you're talking about this. And I'm gonna explain at the end of the video the reason I stopped receiving these views. Because I was just being very dumb. Listen to gurus, listen to people over the internet, someone like Sean Cannell, someone like Vanessa Lowe, someone like Nick Mimim, and a lot of great gurus. They are talking and say, do this and your channel will be will get a lot of views. This is their way of getting views, just talking about how to get views. That's the method. They just want to get views. They have to talk about how to get views, because you, like me, small channel like me, you are desperate and you need to know how to get views. So they just get this, which is our mentor. They just do something that can just trigger our brain to follow them, because you're gonna apply everything you see that they say. So why I don't say you at the beginning of the video the reason why you don't get views? It's because I want you to watch and take time to take your chair, take your note, and you will be surprised to see the reason you never get views on your video. People have been very unfaithful with us. Like, they just use us as a way for them to get money or to get views, to make a lot of money on AdSense or brand deals by telling us this is what to do to get views. This video will be different. The reason why you don't get views, it's because you get into something called the YouTube algorithm trap. What I call the YouTube algorithm trap, it is you being stuck on YouTube with a topic that people don't like anymore. You used to post topic about make money online for over 2-3 years, and you see like a decrease in the amount of views that you used to get. This is the reason, because you've been told to stay in a niche, and this niche you are with can be make money online, can be personal finance, and all the niche that you are in, and you don't get views. If you keep watching this video, you will say, oh, thank you, bro, because you just make me see things differently. They have told you, keep posting on the niche you are, but you're being stupid because you don't take your time to see that this niche you are in is no longer have any traction. No one wants to watch things about this thing that you keep posting. So how you will discover that? It's because every time you post, just go incognito, type the keyword, you will see video over 3 years, 4 years about the topic. That means people, the last people who post about this, it's over 3 months, 2 years. So, but you keep posting about the subject. This is the same thing happened for people posting about ClickBank. In the past 3 years, ClickBank has been very popular. People post about ClickBank. They get a lot of traction. But now ClickBank is no longer something that people are interested in, because there are a lot of opportunity in terms of affiliate marketing. So you keep posting the same content. This is why you get 100 views, 200 views, 300 views. Let me show you the secret. I just do this, what I'm about to show you, and I get over 34 million views in a short amount of time. Less than 3 months, I get 34 million views, guys. Do you hear me? I'm gonna go on my analytics for you and show you the example. So after you go to my analytics like this, let me show you. You can see over 34 million views, as you can see. Okay, in a short period of time, over 3 months, I make this. As you can see, I make over 1 million per day, every single day, since I apply this strategy. But it will not last longer, guys, and you're gonna see the views gonna drop, and I will show you why. Let me explain to you why. And I make over 18,000 subscribers, and you can see the view drop. The reason for that is because I stopped posting this type of video, because I was going back to post video related to pay-per-call. Yeah, so you see, guys, how many views I get and how many subscribers I get in this short amount of time. What I did, you're gonna ask, okay, Mr. Vanel, we want to hear right now, what did you do to get these views or get these subscribers? It's simple. I start leveraging other topics different from what I used to post. I used to post about finance, make money online, pay-per-call, affiliate marketing. To be honest, I make a lot of money with this. But my YouTube channel never grow, because if you type on the search pay-per-call, you will see only 25,000 people search for this in the last 30 days. So there is not that much traction about this topic. And if you can see on the last days, you can see people searching for this topic, they get less than 1,000 views in a single day. So it is not a good topic to keep talking about if I want my channel to grow. So what I do, I just go online, find topic like Shark Tanks. I just upload video about Shark Tanks, and I use the short in YouTube. I just take all the videos from gaming people. I just put the gaming video underneath of the Shark Tank video. And when I do this, I keep posting 10 videos per day related to Shark Tanks. I keep posting, and because it is a trendy topic, a lot of people are looking for Shark Tanks business that fail and Shark Tanks, things like that. Boom, I got traction. And I got a lot of views, guys. I got some days 1 million views, some days I get 2 million views. I got a lot of views. And why is that happen? It's because you have to go online, find something that is trending. Even if it is not in your topic, in your niche, you want your channel to grow, right? This is the reason you have a channel. Don't lie to yourself. You gotta have a channel to make money online, to find brand deals, to have ads running on your videos, and you want to make big check like Graham Stephan, like Mick Kevin, or other people saying that they are making thousands of dollars. You just create a channel just to escape your 9 to 5 job. You don't want to go every day in the same job. So this was my this was the reason for me to create a channel. So when I discovered this, what I'm showing you, and I was mind blowing. So what type of topic you can post right now that are trending? Go take some clip from Joe Rogan, some clip that he made with Elon Musk, great celebrity, great name in the industry, like in the music industry. Just take this video. One thing you will have to do, you will just have to go to CapCut. You put like the video that you want to post, which is the finance video, or maybe the Joe Rogan or Elon Musk, or video related to space, or anything that is trending right now. And underneath of the video, you put like something like a game video underneath, and you will say me thank you later. This is the secret. I don't do nothing else than this. So if you want to make this, you want to try this, come back to this video, post 3 to 5 videos per day, up to 10 videos per day, and you will come back say, Mr. Vanel, you were right, I get traction. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, share with your friend. Don't forget, my name is Vanel. Thank you. Bye-bye.